Hi, good morning. Today we will be trying out a new beauty product, and actually this is a triple whitening kit, so made of strawberry, glutathione, and arbutin. So this one is distributed by Seoul Skin. Ayan. So ito try natin siya. We will see if it will work. So we have three materials here. First one, we have the beauty soap. Ito. So this is the first thing that you are going to apply in your face. So yan. Buksan natin. Yan, babad muna natin siya. And then later, babanlawan. Okay. So, balik natin sa lagayan. Now, so instead of using ponds, ito dati yung ginagamit ko. So we will try for a month if this will work. So the second item that we have here is the facial mist. So after we wash the face, ayan, spray natin. Okay. Sa mukha yung mist. And let it absorb. Okay, the last step that we're going to do is to apply this cream. So here is the moisturizer that we're going to apply day and night daw. Let it stay. Ayan. Taran! I will be using the product for 1 month, and after a month, tingnan natin if may changes. And so, you can purchase the whitening kit in a shop. Actually, it's distributed once again by Seoul Skin. So you can go to the link that I will provide. It's www.facebook.com/sshop experience. Bye-bye!